Maybe my battery's getting low or something. But I'm about 9 inches from this bird right now. And actually, this is the second recording I've made. My phone shut off all by itself. Yeah, I want to keep this recording, so I'm just going to stop it. If I got any closer, I'd be touching him.
Yeah.
Let me see. You want me to see it? You want to try it? Go ahead.
You see my hand in the photo?
Yeah, I see it in the photo.
He doesn't care. Those basil seeds are too delicious. You are just a fearless little creature. How neat.